If you're seeing a Google Drive error 404, don't worry. This usually means the file can't be found, the link is broken, or the permissions are not set correctly. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix it quickly, whether you're trying to open your own file or a file someone shared with you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and Google tips. Let's get into it. First, check the link carefully. A lot of 404 errors happen because the full Google Drive link was copied incorrectly or part of it is missing. So highlight the link, copy it again if needed, and try opening it in a new tab. If the link was shortened, edited, or pasted with extra spaces, that can also break it. A broken or incomplete link is one of the most common causes of this issue. Next, check the file permissions. If you own the file, right-click the file inside Google Drive and select Get Link. Then look under General Access. If it's set too restrictively, change it to anyone with the link if you want other people to be able to open it. After that, copy the new link and test it again. If the file was shared with you, you may simply not have access anymore, so the owner may need to update the permissions on their side. Now make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is a very common reason people get a 404 or access-related error. Click your Google profile picture and double-check which account is active. If you have multiple accounts, try switching to the one that actually has access to the file. Sometimes the file is available, but you're just signed in with the wrong account, so Google Drive can't show it to you. If you own the file, also check whether it was deleted. Open your Google Drive trash and see if the file is sitting there. If it is, restore it right away. If the file was permanently deleted, then the original link may no longer work, which will trigger a 404 error. That's why it's important to confirm whether the file still exists before trying anything else. Another great fix is to try a different browser or open the link in Incognito mode. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private browser window. Then paste the Google Drive link again and test it there. This helps rule out browser cache, cookie, or session issues that may be interfering with the page loading correctly. If you're still getting the error, remember the most common reasons for a 404 in Google Drive are the file was deleted, the link changed, you're signed into the wrong account, permission was removed, or the owner deleted the file entirely. Once you check through those items, you usually find the cause very quickly. So to recap, start by checking the link, then verify permissions, confirm the correct Google account, look in trash if you own the file, and finally try another browser or incognito mode. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem. If this video helped you fix the Google Drive error 404, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.